Good morning and welcome to Lesson 4 with Waves in Information. Just a reminder that your Lesson 3 is due tomorrow on Friday, April 24th, and Lesson 4, which you're going to get introduced to today, is not due until Monday. We will be doing live lessons on Tuesday and Thursday beginning at 10 o'clock. The joy of these is that you can work through the slides at your own pace. This first slide is just a review of waves, and we did go over this during lesson 3. There's also a review of waves detailing frequency and amplitude, and I did do a very detailed video on this for lesson 3 as well. If you're still struggling with frequency and amplitude, go back and watch that video. Let's begin lesson 4. We are still working on describing properties of waves, and we're really going to nail into that today when we talk about the visible light spectrum. These two questions, one is the same and one is different. What are some sources of light? Please give me some different sources than you gave me on Tuesday. And what I really want to know is, how do you see things? What do you know about how the human eye can see objects? This is just to get you thinking and get you started. I am not grading this question at all. It's more of a participation grade to let me know what you know about how to see. Your directions are you're going to work on the note takers on slide 9 and 10. You have 2 brain pop videos, one on electromagnetic spectrum and another one on refraction and diffraction. However, refraction is the most important part of that second video. I'd like you to do the review on your own for both of these, but you don't have to turn anything in. We have another Magic School Bus video for you to watch called Gets a Bright Idea. Click the link to Discovery Ed. Just a reminder that you need to log in with your school email and password. One of the students also mentioned that they do have these Magic School Bus videos on Netflix if you can't get into Discovery Ed. But please email me if you can't get into Discovery Ed, because I want to make sure that you can get other videos as well. Here's your first note taker. After you've watched the videos, let me know, how does your eye see an object? And how does your eye see specific colors? You are able to draw pictures. Just make sure that you clearly label with our vocabulary words from science so that I really know that you understand the material. More is better. We also have the same words that we had on Tuesday. What I really want you to do is go back and check your work from Tuesday. Do you really understand reflection, refraction, absorption, invisible light? I'd like you to put it in your own words. I don't really want any scientific terms like particles. I would like to know from your perspective what these words mean. This will let me know that you understand the material. The next part is for you to show me what you know. I would like you to draw a picture or take a photo of reflection, refraction, and absorption. Please make sure that you clearly label how the wave moves, your light source, and what happens to that light wave. It's really going to help me know that you understand the material. Again, more is better. You can always go back and watch any of the videos I've done. You can watch the videos that have been assigned on Tuesday and Thursday, or you can chat with your friends. If you made it to our live meeting on Tuesday, I actually gave you some real life examples of reflection, refraction, and absorption, and I even drew my own pictures and illustrations to help you understand it. Those live meetings are very important. And finally, you have your ending slide with the reminder of what you need to do. Slide 7 should have an example of light and how you see, which is different from Tuesday's example. Slide 9 and 10 should have your notes, and slide 11 should have examples, illustrations, and labels. When you're finished with these, upload the slide deck to Google Classroom. Don't forget, if you're struggling, go back and watch the video again, read the directions in the classroom classwork section, ask a friend, and of course, you can email me.